we have to complete decimals of exercise 3.3, and we have discussed few questions. Today we are going to move ahead with this. Let's discuss the 8th question. The 8th question says that there is a cloth of we have to stitch a shirt suit of 3.25 meter, and we have to tell us how many suits can be made from 48.75 meter of cloth. That means if 3.25 centimeter is stitching one suit, that means in 1 meter we are stitching 1 by 3.25. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that means if we have to stitch it in 48.75 meter, we will be getting what? If we will multiply 1 by 3.25 multiplied by 48 by 75, that means if we write it in the form of equation, it is 48.75 upon 3.25. By removing the decimal, we will be getting 48.75 upon 325. So I am showing you the working. See, 3.25, you can see my screen. 3.25 gives you one cloth. Then 1 will give you 1.35. So how much is 48.75 giving you? That is 1 upon 3.25 multiplied by 48 by 75. If we remove the decimal, here is 100, and if you remove the decimal from denominator, we get in 100 in the numerator. That means the 100 cancels with 100. So we are left with 48.75 upon 325. So there are two techniques, reduction or long division, for solving it. Whichever technique you want to solve, use. It's up to you. Can you tell me what's the answer? Solve it and tell me the answer. What's the answer? Yes? What's the answer? 4875 divided by, you can start with 3. If you are doing with reduction, so see, 4 plus 8 is how much? 12, and 7 plus 5 is 12, right? 3 plus 2 is 5, and 3 plus 2 is 5, and 5 plus 5 is 10. So 3 is not going. So we can start with 5. Yes or no? Class, can you hear me? हम reduction
Yes,
5 यानी, so 5 6 are 30, 2 left, 5 5 are 25. Here 5 9 are 45. How much left? How much left? 45. 48 minus 45 is how much? 48 minus 45 is how much?
ma'am, the
3.
answer will be 15.
Yes, but what is here? We are doing with the reduction. Please tell me the reduction here.
Ma'am,
35.
I'm not able to see.
Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. So 48 sevens, 5 sevens is 35, 2 left, 36, 37, and 5 5s are 25. Again with 5, 5 13s are, right, and 5 1s are 5, 6 7 8 6 5 4 47, 5 9s are 45, right, 45. Then 2 left, 5 5s are 25. Then 13 1s are 13, 13 1s are 13, 13 5s are 65. The answer is 15. Yes, Aditi, you are correct. The answer is 15. Is it fine? Those who can see? Those who can see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's take the next question then. So I will be doing orally. The bullock cart covers a distance of 15.50 kilometer in 2 hours. In approximately how much time will it cover a distance of 12.85 kilometers? So see, you time. So what is this? You can use the formula distance upon time, or you can use the unitary. Well, it's up to you. What do you want?
Ma'am, unitary method.
Ma'am, distance upon time.
Okay, that's up to you. You can do it. Use any method. So you will be doing by yourself. There's a so you will be doing it by yourself because you have done these types of question in unitary method previous year. Yes. So let's
Yes,
come to
ma'am.
let's come to the 10th evaluation. Evaluate. Which one? 11 and 12. Which one I should evaluate for you? कौन सा क्वेश्चन हम करें?
Ma'am, B.
B. Okay. In 10th and 11th? 10th B. Okay, let's do it. 10th B. Let's do it. I hope now you can see my screen or still not?
Ma'am, no.
Okay. Let's.
No,
I'm
ma'am.
doing screen sharing
No,
again.
ma'am.
I'm doing screen sharing again, and I hope this time you can see. Is this screen visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then that will be also visible. So you said 80, right? Question you said is 80. Then what is 80
Ma'am,
multiplied?
multiplied by 6.75
Okay.
plus
Then
ma'am plus in brackets 120 into 8
120 into 8. Then
ma'am minus 50 upon 0.25.
50 upon 0.25. The first step in BODMAS is what? First step in
Ma'am,
BODMAS.
bracket.
Right. So,
I'm solving brackets.
so for what is the resolution of first bracket? 80 into 6.5, that is multiplication where with a decimal, yes or no? How much it is giving?
Yes, ma'am.
8 5s are. Use the table of 8. It will be giving you 500. Okay. It is giving you 500. Okay. Then 120 into 8. That's easy. 120 into 8. 120 into 8.
Ma'am 960.
960. Okay. And if I will be wrong if I write 5,000 upon 25? Would I be wrong? Will I be wrong? Please tell me.
No, ma'am.
Now, how much is 500 plus 960?
Ma'am 5,960.
No, 500. First one. Addition will be solved BODMAS. Okay. First we will be 500 and 960 will be left as it is. BODMAS 500 plus 960 will be left as it is. Yes or no? Then we will be solving a division. 5,000 upon 25. How much is 5,000 upon 25? 5,000 upon 25 is how much?
Ma'am, I am not able to see it.
5,000 upon 25 is how much?
Ma'am 200.
200. So, after solving the bracket and these all things, we are left with 500 plus 960 minus 200. Yes or no?
Yes,
500.
ma'am.
So, now again BODMAS, addition or subtraction first. Which one?
Ma'am, addition.
Addition.
So 500 plus 960 is how much? 500 plus 9.
Ma'am,
Yes.
1460.
1460 minus 200, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And that's equal to how much?
Ma'am, 1,260.
1260.
Understood what we did?
Yes, ma'am.
Step
Yes,
by
ma'am.
step. Don't rush
Yes.
with the question. Do it step by step. If you will be rushing with the question, you will be not getting the correct solution. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear? Okay. Now, 11th and 10th was same? Yes or no?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
method. So
Yes, ma'am.
now let's see the last one, and then I will be listening to your difficulties, right? For celebrating Children's Day, student of class 7 bought sweet for rupees 740 in 740.25 and cold drink for rupees 70. If the students contributed equally, what was contributed by each student? So for this what we need first? For this what we need first? The total amount or not?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
total amount spent or not. I'm not writing the statements, but I'm making the equation for you. Okay. So what was the total amount spent? That is 740.25 plus how much?
Ma'am, 70.
70.
Ma'am,
That means
70.
if we want to do it orally, we need 2 zeros more. 0.20. Yes or no? Then we can do it linearly. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how much is 740.25 plus 70.70? 740.25 plus
Ma'am, ma'am, 810.25.
so 810.25 was contributed by 35 students. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, Roro?
Yes, ma'am.
And we have
Yes.
equally means we have to find out one student contributed how much. Equally का मतलब यही तो हुआ.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
ठीक है. So 1 means what? What we will be doing? 810.25 divided by 35. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what I have advised, always to remove the decimal but do not touch the 100. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the calculation will be easy. So,
Yes, ma'am.
810.25 divided by 35 gives, how much does it gives? How much does it gives? Reduction, I will be not doing every time your reduction. Yes or no? Should I do or you should do it? It's the number is 81,025. Yes or no? 81,025 divided by 35 is how much? Aditi, first calculate it first.
Yes.
What is the number? If you divide 81,025 by 35, it's how much?
Ma'am, doing.
Do it. Reduction कर लो. Reduction में 5 और 7 जाएगा. देखो 35 है. It will be 5 and 7 or not?
Ma'am, I think,
Yes.
ma'am, 16,205 by 7 into 100.
So 7 will be going 35. 7. Then with 7 it will be going. Check it. Is it
Yes.
going with 7 or not? Check it. Is it going with 7 or not?
No, ma'am, not going.
If I check and if it goes. So let's see. Means you have not practiced at all. 5 sevens are, then 5 ones are 5. How much left? 3. 31. 5 6 are 30. 1 left. 5 2s are 10. Right? Then put a 0 because 2 will not go with 0. Then 5 5s are 25. Now 7. 7. Let's check with 7. 7 2s are 14. 2 left. 7 3s are 21. 1 left. It is going. You do not know the tables and divisibility test. What you have done in your previous class. 7. How much? 2s are 14. 2 left. 7. 2 left 22. 7 3s are 21. 1 left. 7 1s are 7. 3 left. 7 5s are 35. Is it not going with 35? So what is the left? It is divided by 100. That means 23.15 rupees was spent by each student. Am I clear? Am
Yes,
I
ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Friends, one thing you have observed in all the decimal questions and fractions what we have done. Not from my side, from your side. What is the default in you? What is the default in you? Be brave enough to speak for yourself. क्या चीज तुम लोग को नहीं पता है और जो आनी चाहिए, और जिस वजह से for that reason you are not able to do the questions swiftly. Can be anyone be brave enough to speak the truth? Is it the technique you do not know? No. Is it the understanding is problem? No. Is that you do not understand English? No. Then what's the problem?
Ma'am, we have not practiced.
No. You do not know the basic tables and divisibility tests. Without divisibility test and divisibility test, knowledge of divisibility test and knowledge of tables, you cannot move ahead a single step in further maths. Okay, you do not know the tables, it will be fine, but if you do not know the divisibility test, then you cannot move a single step in any type of question, be it an integer, be it a fraction, be it a decimal. That means a blink of eyes, 20 minutes will be over and you will be failing in unit tests. Please ask from your senior. The papers are set properly by me. Not is a formality. If any of your senior has been, your senior or brother or sister has been taught by me, please listen, ask her. The paper is properly set by me. It's never think of just paper hai. Not that me. I am not that one. Paper hai to hai. नहीं तो होने की जरूरत ही नहीं. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm ending
Yes,
the class
ma'am.
for today. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye,
ma'am.